Every day is a weekend, and that's the slogan for this 32 million square foot massive development by none other than Majidul Fatim. Hi guys, my name is Tilal from Think Properties. Harmony Villas. Harmony Villas, Harmony Villas, Harmony Villas. You guys must have heard this name over and over and over again since the last couple of days. With that note, you can guess what this video is going to be about. We'll be getting into the specifics of its location, amenities, retail, what the community has to offer, and then finally finances of this project that the entire Dubai has been buzzing about. Harmony Villas by Tilal Al Ghaf. When you think about retail and you add the name of Majidul Fatim with it, practically half of Dubai comes into play. With this, Tilal Al Ghaf has really hit the ball out of the stadium, offering indoor and outdoor cinemas by walks. Royal Grammar School, which will be completed and operating by December 21. Its very own standalone carport. Adding that with amenities such as volleyball, football, tennis courts, jogging and cycling tracks, holistic spas, water sports activities, sandy beaches, you name it. The list just keeps going on and on and on. Combining all of those and sealing it with your very own 72,000 square meters of pure luxury crystal lagoon, which will be exclusive only to Tilal Al Ghaf residences. Let's speak about location. As we know, that's one of the most crucial aspects of buying real estate. Tilal Al Ghaf is located right on the extension of Hessa Street, adjacent to Jumeirah Golf Estate. It has 6 entry and exit points, so you can get well connected with the major highways of Dubai. I have attached a distance proximity chart that you can see on the screen to give you a vague idea of where this project is located. When you're buying a property here, you're not just buying a house, you're buying a home in this beautiful, beautiful community. Harmony Villas consist of 4 and 5 bedroom independent luxury villas. Starting price point 2.99 million. Average price per square foot 802 dirhams. A payment plan of 6 years. 6 years payment plan. And finally, to pop the cherry on the cake, the developer is offering 2% DLD waiver. Taken any notes from this video, note this: simplicity plus luxury equals Harmony Villas. You have my number on the screen. You can reach me via call or WhatsApp. Let's get in touch, book an appointment for an exclusive visit to Tilal Al Ghaf, and let me show you the project that Dubai has been buzzing about. On that note, Tilal here from Think Properties, signing out.